Hello my dear students, in the last class we have discussed up to 13.2 exercise. That is next topic is exponents and powers of the next topic is decimal number system. So what is that? Decimal number system. So you have to write the number in decimal number system. Decimal number system. So how to write any number in decimal number system? So first take one example. 5, 6, 8, 5, 4. So this is one number. So how to write in a decimal number? By using exponents and powers. So first we have to expand the numbers. So expand it. What will get the answer? So first 5 into 10,000 plus 6 into 1,000 plus 8 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 4 into 1. Okay, so this is the expansion. So by using powers or exponents, how to write this one? Here 10,000 is there. 10,000, how to write 10,000 in exponents? Here total how many zeros? 4 zeros. That means 5 into 10 raised to 4. Whatever the 0 is there, so that will be the power for 10 base. So next here plus 6. 6 into total how many zeros? 3 zeros. That means 10 raised to 3. That's it. Very simple. Next 8. 8 into 2 zeros, 10 raised to 2. Plus 5 into 10 raised to 1. Next 4 into 1 is there. 1. How to write by using 10 base? 4 into you can write 10 raised to 0, isn't it? Why? Because any number raised to 0 equals to 1 only. That's why 1 equals to 10 raised to 0. So we have to write the number in 10 bases. 10 raised to 4, 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 2, 10 raised to 1, 10 raised to 0. So this is the expansion. Okay. So how to write by the decimal number system? So here 595 is there. So how to write it? This is a decimal number. We can write it as a 5.95. We can write, isn't it, into 100. Can you write this one? Yes or no? Why? Because after decimal point, how many zeros? Total how many digits are there? 4 digits. So multiplied by 100. That means 2 zeros. So multiply this one. If you multiply, decimal number should be shifted to right side, isn't it? So what will get the answer? Here 2 zeros, shifting it. What will get the answer? 595, isn't it? The was the number. So we can write it as a 5.95. After decimal point, how many digits? 2 digits. We have taken 2 digits means multiplied by 100. If you take this one as a, take another one. So write down 84.4. 87.4. Here after decimal point, how many digits are there? 1 digit. That means multiplied by 10. Isn't it? So you get the 874. This is the decimal number. We can write any number as a decimal number. So this we call it as a decimal number system. Isn't it? So next concept is expressing a large numbers in standard form. So large number means, so take one example. So what is this number? 5 lakh. Okay. So this is a large number. So how to write in a standard form? Standard form means it will consist of decimal number. So we have written decimal number. So write down this one 5 lakh. We can write it as 5.0. Isn't it? 5.0. Otherwise you can write only directly 5 into. So total how many zeros? 4, 7. That means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Isn't it? So 7 zeros. We can write by using exponents. 5 into 10 raised to how many zeros? 7 zeros. So this is a standard form. So this is a standard form. Standard form means, I'll explain later the definition. So standard form means, so this is first one. Second one I'll take it. 2, 9, 8, 7, 0, 5, 4, 3. Okay. So next, what is this number? 2 crore 98 lakh 70,543. So how to write in a standard form? Standard form means it consists only one digit before to the decimal point. Before to the decimal point means decimal point should be after one digit. After one digit. So 2.9870543. So decimal point only digit, one digit is there before to the decimal point. So total how many digits here? 7. Total 7 digits are there into 10 raised to 7. Understand? Total how many digits after the decimal point? Total 7 digits. So 10 raised to 7. Otherwise, I will tell you the simple definition, simple number 5843. Okay. Total how many digits? 4 digits. So how to write in the standard form means before to the decimal point only one digit will be available. 5 point should be come here. 5.843. 843. After decimal point how many digits are there? 3. That means 10 raised to 3. 10 raised to 3. So you will get the standard form. Take another one. 729. So how to write this one? 7 point before to the decimal point only one digit will be available. 7.29 into after decimal point how many digits? 2 digits. That means 10 raised to 2. 10 raised to 2. So this is the standard form. This is the standard form. Tell me how to write this one. Simple questions are there. 885 there. How to write this one? 8.5 into 10 raised to 1. Isn't it? Because before to the decimal point only one digit is. So here total 3 digits. But it should be how to write this one? 8.5. 0 will be negligible. So total how many digits? Otherwise, if you get confused, write down into 10 raised to what? After decimal point how many digits? 2 digits. 2. So, but this 0 is negligible, isn't it? So 8.5 into 10 raised to 2. Okay. So next, here total how many digits are there? 4 digits. Before the decimal point, how many digits will be available? Only 1. So 8.500. First you have to write it. Okay. After that you can remove this one. So 10 raised to how much? Total how many digits are there after the decimal point? 3. So power will be 3. So now neglect it. So 8.5 into 10 raised to 3. I hope you understand the concept of standard form. So definition of standard form: any number can be expressed as a decimal number between 1.0 and 10, including 1.0 will multiplied by power of 10. So how to write that one? So take down one example, then you will get the answer 753. Okay. So this is a number. You should write in a decimal number between 1.0. 1.0 means before to the decimal point it should be only one digit. But here total 3 digits. We can write it as 7.53. 1.0 and 10. Okay. So here we can use as a 1.0 and 10, including 1.0 is multiplied by power of 10. So here base is 10. So power, what will be the digits total after decimal point? How many digits are there? 2 digits. 2. That's it. 1.0 and 10 digits. Okay. So take down another one. 5, 6, 7, 8. So how to write this one? After before decimal point only one digit will be available. 5.678 into 10 raised to how much? After decimal point how many digits? 3. That means 10 raised to 3. This is the standard form. Let's go to the exercise 13.3. So write the following numbers in the expanded form. So total 5 questions are there. I will explain only 2. Remaining 3 questions are common. Try to yourself. So first one, 2,79,404. So you already know that how to write a number in expanded form. So first 2 into 2's place value 1 lakh, isn't it? So 1 lakh plus next 7 into 10,000. 7 place is 10,000 place. Next 9 into 1000. So next plus 4 into 100. Next 0 into 10 plus 4 into 1. So calculate this one by using exponents and powers. 2 into, so total how many zeros? 5 zeros. So 10 raised to 5 plus 7 into 10 raised to how much? 4 zeros. Next 9 into 10 raised to 3 plus 4 into 10 raised to 2. Next 0 into 10 raised to 1. Next 4 into 10 raised to 0. Isn't it? This is the expanded form. Just write down the expanded form by using exponents and powers. So this one write down directly. So 3 into. So total give this 3. Total how many places? Total how many digits are there? Give this 3. Total 6. Isn't it? 10 raised to 6. That's it. Okay. Don't get confused. Next 0. 0 into. So give this 0. Total how many places? Digits are there? 5 digits. 10 raised to 5. Next again 0 into. Next if you leave this one, total 4 digits. 10 raised to 4. Like this, write down. Plus next plus 6 into 10 raised to 3. 5. If you leave this 6, 3 digits are there. Next plus 1 into 10 raised to 2. 9 into 10 raised to 1 plus 4 into 10 raised to 0. Okay, this is the expanded form. Second question, find the number from each of the following expanded form. So they are already given the expanded form. So just write down the number. So what's the number? So they are already given in expanded form. So first write down that one. 8 into 10 raised to 4 means here total how many zeros will be available? 4 zeros means 10,000. That means 8 into 10,000. 80,000. Next plus 6 into total how many zeros? 3. That means write down 3 zeros. That's it. Next plus 0 into 2 zeros. Next 4 into 1 zero. Next 5 into 10 raised to 0 means 1. Isn't it? 5. So now 8 place value is 80,000. So number 80,000. So this is 6 place 6,000. That is 86,000. 0 means it is in the hundreds place. Hundreds place. Tens place is 4. Next ones place is 5. So what is the number? 86,045. 80 place value 10,000. Next 6 place value 1,000. Zeros place value 100. 4th place value 10. 5 place value is 1. Isn't it? I hope you understand the concept. So next one. So here write down this one. So 3 into 10 raised to 4 means 10,000. Next 7 into 10 raised to 2 take 100 plus 5 into 10 raised to 0 means 1. Isn't it? So now what is this number? 3's place value is 10,000. 3 30,000. But here there is no thousands place means 0 will be available. 0. Okay. You can write this 0 into 100 or you can leave this one. So there is no number means you can write it as 0. 30,000. So 7 place value is 100. So 7,000. 30,700. So here 10th place value 0. Because there is no number means 0 will be available. 5 into 1 5. So what is the number? 30,705. 3 place value 10,000. 0 they not given means this is in thousands place. 7 they given hundreds place. 0 not given tens place. 5 value is ones place. Isn't it? So these are A and C have taken. B and D forms are over forms. Try this. Next third one, express the following numbers in standard form. So you already know that calculate in a standard form. So this is 5 crore, isn't it? So 5 crore they given. So 5 crore. So write down this one. 5 into total how many zeros? 2, 4, 7. So 10 raised to 7. So this is the standard form. Next, big one. 70 lakh. So 70 lakh. So you should write only one digit. 7.0 means 7 only, isn't it? That's why I have written here 7. Here also I have written 5. So 7 into total how many zeros? 6. 10 raised to 6. So next I have taken fifth one. 39,087.8. So here already decimal point is there, but in the standard form decimal point should be comes before to the one digit, isn't it? So shift it. So if you shifting this to this, total how many digits are there? 4 digits, isn't it? So 3.9, whatever the numbers are there, write down. So total how many places you have shifted? 4 places. That means into 10 raised to 4. Into 10 raised to 4. Why? Because for shifting to 1 place, 2 place, 3 place, 4 place. That means 10 raised to 4. So take this one, sixth one. So here decimal point is here. You have to take this here. So shift this one. So total how many places you have shifted? 3 places. 3.90878 into how many places you have shifted? 3 places. That means 10 raised to 3. That's it. Okay. This is the standard form of this number. Next, fourth question. Express the number appearing in the following statements in the standard form. So first one, they is given the statement. Only write down this number in standard form. Okay. So what is that number? 384 million. 384 million meter. So this is meter. That is the unit. So distance unit is meter. That's why they given meter. So what is that number? 384 million. So first 3.84. 3.84. So because they asked standard form, not right. So 3.84. So after decimal point, total how many digits? After giving these 3, 2, 5, 8. So what is the answer? Into 10 raised to 8 meter. That's it. 3.84 into 10 raised to 8. Neglect the zeros. So second one, speed of light in vacuum is 300 million meter per second. So write down the standard form 3.0, otherwise you can write directly 3 into total how many zeros? 5, 8. 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Meter per second. So next, the earth has 1 billion 353 billion million cubic kilometer of sea water. So what is that number? 1 point. Write down the remaining digits 3, 5, 3. Neglect the zeros into. So after 1, total how many digits? 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9. 10 raised to 9. You should write the unit cubic kilometer. Okay. I have explained only 3 questions. Remaining maybe 10 questions are there. Remaining 7 questions are homework. So this finishes the exercise 13.3 and this finishes exponents and powers chapter also. So I will start the next chapter in the next class.